Preventive medicine is practically the application or recommendation of substances which may potentially safeguard you. Protective therapy is once you had a disease, you had a tumor operated on, or you had a heart attack before, or something like that, or you had this or that disease before, and this is so far repaired or operated. But you need a protection in order to prevent, if possible, the reappearing of this disease.